Everyone, Double P here and welcome. So today what I wanted to do was go over one of the trades that I sent out to my members today, my Platinum X Power Option traders. And just so that you see what we do on a day-to-day basis. So today I sent out a trade for AMD so that you can see here, everything's all in real time. I'm a super transparent guy. So just getting over COVID there. So when people always ask me, well, I see your account here, it says margin account. Why does it say partially the delayed data over there? Like I've gone over this for those of you that don't know. Let's just click on this here. Everything's in real time. Where I am situated in the part of the world that I am in, my brokerage does not give me access to real-time data for futures. So that's why it says partially delayed data. You can see it right there. But stock, everything's in real time. So Amex, New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, real-time feeds. You see that there? Real time, right? Equity options, real time. Futures and futures options, well, that's delayed because of where I am. There's some restrictions with futures, so I don't get real-time data. My data I don't trade futures anyway, so I don't really care. The futures that I look at is not delayed, so that's that, right? So that's futures. Forex is in real time, others in real time, so other equity positions. So everything's real time. It's full-blown account, right? So I always like to get that out of the way for some people that don't know, and when they're looking at my stuff, they're like, well, that doesn't make sense. Well, it makes total sense. In certain parts of the world, depending on where you are with the trading platform, I'm with TD Ameritrade, so they have some restrictions. So how do I bypass it? Lots of different ways to bypass it. So that's that. So AMD was a trade that I sent out to my guys today. So let's come over here so that you let me get the text alert so that you see the text alert right here. So there's some stuff here that I don't know, I just blur out because that's kind of doesn't matter what I or my members paid. You'll see it right here. Bought to open November 9th, September 22, 85 strike call AMD. We're looking for 25%. And with a tight stop loss of minus 12%. These expire today, so don't hold till the end of the day. So I send this out to my group every day that we trade. I give them exactly the option that I'm buying, the expiry that I'm buying, the strike that I'm buying, what I'm looking at paying for a limit order per contract, how many contracts, percentage profit, and stop loss. So everything is right there, and I do that every single time like clockwork, right? So this is when I sent out the trade to my guys. Right here is when I sent out the trade to my guys. If you're looking at my screen here, well, what you see here is Bollinger Bands, right? It's Bollinger Bands. I don't really look at this kind of stuff. I kind of do and I kind of don't. Because I'm on a 1 minute chart trading right down here. And you see over here, I'm on a 5-day, 1 hour chart over here. So I'm looking intraday, and I'll show you that right there. So you see it says 5-day, 1 hour chart. That's what I'm looking at, right? So that's when I sent the trade out, and you can see the trade was in and out, 10-minute trade, like I told my guys. So this literally took 2, 4, 6, 8, almost 10 minutes from here to here. That's the window that I was looking at. That's all I wanted is 10 minutes. You see here all the indicators that I'm looking at, how they matched up, how the Bollinger Bands matched up, how the 200 moving average matched up to take this trade and hit it, get in and get out, right? So that you can see that there, and then you see I use different study sets for different reasons and different things that I'm looking at. So I'm able to go in for pockets and being able to make trades. And you see here, right there, all my stuff is in real time. I have custom scanners set up for everything. So when I'm going, I don't have to look at a screen all day. I don't have to watch a computer all day. I don't have to watch the market all day. I have custom scans set up. So if I come over here, you see over here the messages. You'll see my messages. I have custom scans set up for everything, right? So depending on what I want to trade, that's what I want to trade. Now, you'll get access to this when you're a member of the Platinum X Power Option Traders. You get access to all this stuff because everything's all set up for my members. You see here the market's just going off like crazy. And this is how you trade, right? So I don't have to look at stuff. All my custom stuff is set up. So let's come over here. We did the text alert. And this is when I sent out to my guys. When we're finished, sold to close, got out of the position, plus 28.43% profit. I'm out of the trade, done trading for the day. Hope you took the trade and were profitable. Probably about 80-85% of the time my guys take my trades because everyone's doing their own thing. They're doing their own trades, but I always send out trade alerts every day because that's part of the program. That's part of what I do. So I always get feedback from my guys and girls every day in the help desk. Majority of them still take my trades, even after being with me for 22 months, 23 months, 25 months, 26 months, 28 months, 29 months. You know, every month in, month out, right? They still take the trades because that's what they pay for. They pay me to get them profitable and to keep them profitable. So you'll see here, all real time. So you'll see here my share today, $1,500 today, plus 28%, 28.43%. Don't steal my stuff. Don't copy my stuff, etc., etc., etc. All right, so that's that. So this is one of my setups. I have multiple setups from multiple study sets because I'm looking at multiple. So let's just come over here so that you see what I look at on a day-to-day basis. And that's what I look at on a day-to-day basis. If you need complete vision in the marketplace, if you don't have a complete vision in the marketplace, you don't know what you're looking at, you don't know how to trade, you won't know how to trade and you won't know what to look at. And you'll always be fumbling around and trying to figure out what's going on. I give this away on a gold platter. I mean, I don't care. You know what I mean? My members got this. You have it now. You're watching this video. But it's about deciphering all of it and figuring out what it all is. See right here, QQQ, SQQQ, a big block option. Anyway, I could go in there and look at that, right? So why am I showing you this today? Well, because today I've got version 3.0 of the course. It's up, it's ready. If you want to go to platinumtraders.com/evergreen-workshop. Now the evergreen is with a Y right there. So it's ever and evergreen-workshop.com. I'll leave that up there so that you see it. So version 3 is up. You have the first version of the course. You have the second version of the course, which is absolutely blockbuster great. And now you have version 3 that I've just finished, months and months and months of testing. So everything's up and running. This is the last version of the course that I'm creating. There's 3 iterations of it. That's all I need. I've been doing this. This course has been up now for 3 years. It's been super profitable for a lot of my members. If you look at my social media feeds and stuff, I got multiple members doing 6 figures, multiple 6 figures. I got members doing 7 figures in trading. And this is what we do, right? And this is during a horrendous, crazy, terrible bear market, right? We don't care. I don't care if the market goes up. I don't care if the market goes down. I don't care if the market trades sideways. I will show you how to trade market Doesn't matter about the market conditions or what's going on in the market. I could care less. I don't look at news. I don't care about news. News is the absolute last thing I look at. Everything is custom coded in my platform. That's what I look at, right? I'm an options momentum intraday scalper. I look at probabilities, I look at analytics, and I trade options. That's what options are powerful, right? The options and the bond market drive the stock market. That's it. End the story. So go head on over to platinumtradersoptions.com/evergreen-workshop. I will see you in the profit zone. That's it from me, Double P, over and out.